What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's bright out today. Whew. In this video, we got some work to do on the Daily CG5. So let's hop into that. And real quick, guys, don't forget, give me some light. Here we go. Every $5 is one entry into the giveaway for the Max Speed & Rides oil catch can. So get your entries. Time is running out. Giveaway ends on the 21st. In today's video, we got to address these seats, guys. These seats are horrible in this thing. Let's see if I can get these covers off and show you. Oh man, they really put these covers on. This one's not too bad, but this driver's seat, look at this. This thing is tore up, and that's not good. And leather seats suck, especially in the heat in Florida. They get hot and they're just not comfortable. So we got to fix that. So many plugs on these things, boy. Seats got airbags in them. I didn't even know that. Not anymore. Ugh. Yeah. Come on, get in there. Oh yeah, these are gonna be comfy as heck, boy. Driver turn. It's not even, didn't even have a bolt on this front one. Dee 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 dee. How far forward can it go? How far forward can it go? That's all the way forward. Got this puppy all unbolts it. Let's see. We can get it out now. 101 plugs under here. Things are like 100 pounds. What now? God, this thing's heavy.
Hey, every time.
Garbage.
Bye-bye. Hello.
We got M&Ms under here and stuff. We ballin', baby.
So we rich.
This thing only had one bolt in the front.
What?
Yeah. If I would have known that, I would have took one of the bolts out of the other car. No more of that power seat crap. None of that nasty leather seat. Nice light seat. Look at that. Ain't gonna be the best matching, but it's gonna have a nice seat though. Oh yeah. Bolts up. Sheesh. One bolt. Two bolts. need a little cleaning, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. No more time to hit the button now. Move the seat forward and back. Way more comfortable. Yeah. That's to tilt this front forward.
Yeah.
That's right. You got a booger hanging out your nose, girl. You got moquitos. You got booger.
I want to sit down as much as I want it to.
That's going higher. Better?
I'd have to get a solid feel.
Cloth seats, the way to go. If you guys know Hondas, Honda cloth seats are probably the most comfortable seats you will ever get. These seats, these cloth seats are more comfortable than the Cadillac seats that I had. Everything more comfortable than the leather seats. I've never felt any seats more comfortable than cloth Honda seats. So if y'all agree, let me know down in the comments if you agree with me. So, but it's good. God, this lighting out here sucks, guys. I'm sorry, but yeah, I think I'm going ahead and end it here. I know it's a short video, but there's something that needs to be done to this car, and I'm trying to do these daily vlogs. Tomorrow's video should be real interesting. We're going to be doing more work on the built engine, so stay tuned for that one, guys. Daily uploading throughout the month of December. Vlogmas is real, baby. I think this is number 11, 10 or 11 daily uploads in a row. So smash that like button for me, guys. If you're not yet sub to the channel, and we're going to keep pushing. So that's going to be it now, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and catch you on the next one. Peace out, and God bless.